Hey guys, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you our new software called ReviewKits. As you already may know that previously we had a GHL snapshot for ReviewKits, okay, but now it's a fully and standalone software which actually allow you to create unlimited number of review widgets, and you can integrate with your GoHighLevel pages as well as any other page builder. For example, ClickFunnels, Wix, WordPress, or whatever page builder or website builder you are using. Now you can integrate with the review kits. Okay, so you can install the widget into that platform in your website. Okay, so let me show you step by step how it actually works. Okay, and also one more thing I want to mention here. Okay, so just stay tuned and just keep watching the video, and you will get a big discount as a founding member of our review kits. Okay, so we are going to launch the discounted price, okay, at the end of this video. Okay, so here you can see when you land on the dashboard. Okay, just log in and you will see the overview video of the software, and also you will get the guide how you can create the review kits widget and everything, okay, from this video. But still now I'm going to show you how you can do this. Okay, so from the left navigation you can see we have the create review widget option for 5-star reviews, and also we have another one which we called the buttons version. Okay, so let me show you the difference between both of them. Okay, you can see this is the actually the stars version of the review kits widget. Okay, so for example, we count 1-star, 2-star, or 3-star as a negative review just like before, but the 4-star and 5-star are the positive review. Okay, so if someone select the 5-star reviews, then they see all the platform we integrated to collect reviews. For example, we can collect reviews on our Facebook pages, Google My Business, Trustpilot, TripAdvisor, Yelp, Product Hunt, or we have also 40 plus different platform to collect reviews. Okay, so we have the integration with them. Okay, so this is the scenario when someone click 4-star or 5 stars. Okay, but in case they want to give you the negative reviews or they're not satisfied, then when they clicked 1-star, 2-star, or 3 stars, then it will actually open the opt-in form. Okay, the feedback form. Okay, we actually created this form into the GoHighLevel. And the best part is you can integrate with any other platform. Okay, so for example, if you're using any other platform builder which actually give you the iframe for the form, okay, you can just integrate that form. Okay, it can be your MailChimp, your GetResponse, or any other autoresponder provider or the form builder. Okay, you can use as a feedback form here. Okay, so this is how it actually works, the stars version. And let me show you the buttons version. Here's the buttons version, and you can see here is this one is very straightforward. Okay, when someone click the positive review, it shows them the platform. If they click negative, it shows them the feedback form. Okay, so this is very simple and straightforward way to collect reviews. Okay, so let me go back and show you on the platform and the way you can create reviews. Okay, so when you select the create widget for 5-star reviews, you see this option. Okay, so all the platforms you can see here, we have Facebook, Google My Business, Trustpilot, TripAdvisor, and this web 40 plus different platform where you can collect your reviews. So if you're an agency owner who actually want to provide a review collection service for your customers, then these tools can be very helpful and very easy to use toolkits. Okay, for your business, and you can give service to your customers. You can install the widget to your clients websites or their thank you page, whatever you want actually. Okay, so how you can do this. Okay, so just put the name of the widget and then select the platform. For example, if I want to select Facebook, Google My Business, Trustpilot. Okay, but we can click any of other. Okay, so let's say for Product Hunt. So you can see here, once we select the platform here, it automatically populate the option to put the review URL. Okay, so all you just need to put your review URL here, Okay, so for example, your Facebook page review URL, your Google My Business review URL, Trustpilot review URL. Okay, so product hunt review URL, you can just put it here. Okay, but in case you don't want to use any of them, then just and just click this checkbox and it will remove from here. Okay, and then you just need to put your opt-in form iframe code. Okay, so if you're using GoHighLevel, then you can integrate your opt-in form here. Okay, so all you just need to open the opt-in form. Okay, that, and you can design everything there, and then just grab the embed code and paste it here. Okay, so once you click generate review widget, it will give you the code snippet. Okay, so let me show you how the code snippet actually looks like. For example, this one. So you can see it will give you the script for the review widget script as well as the header script. Okay, for GoHighLevel, all you just need to put everything into your page builder with the custom code snippet. Okay, so this will works perfectly. But if you're using any other platform, like as I said, ClickFunnels or any other platform, then you need to put this into the uh, page. Okay, and then you need to put this header script into the header code area. Okay, otherwise everything is fine. So all you just need to copy this code snippet and just paste it into your page builder. Okay, that's it. And now this way you can create this type of review widget into your page, and you can collect reviews. Okay, so let me reload this page. You can see here, so you can design everything as per your need. Okay, for your review kit widget page, and then you can collect reviews. Okay, so one more thing I want to show you here. So when you are registered, okay, and upgrade your account, you will get access to the ReviewKits snapshot here. Okay, so this is actually for the GoHighLevel users who actually want to get the full setup done for you. Okay, so let's say for example your ReviewKits landing pages, your email automation, SMS campaign, and everything is done for you here. Okay, so all you just need to import this, create your ReviewKits widget, and paste the code snippet there. Okay, and everything is already done for you. And then if you are not using GoHighLevel, then also you can get our email and automation campaign content. Okay, so all you just need to click here, and you can get your content, the text message and the email sequence content here. Okay, so you can use this for any other platform if you want to use. Okay, so this way this will actually help you to collect more reviews from your customers, and also you can provide the review collection services for your customers. Okay, so you can sell this service to your customer. And the best part is we are now allowing our lifetime members to create unlimited number of ReviewKits widget. Okay, so you will pay only once, and then you can use it for lifetime and the unlimited uses. Okay, and also we are going to add some more features gradually into the software. So this will actually developing. So now for the founding members, we are actually going to give a massive discount. Okay, so normally we are selling it now for $167 for lifetime deal, but if you're just as a GHL SaasKits member, if you are the community member, or if you are already our premium member, okay, whatever, you can just get our discount coupon. Okay, so all you just need to click the link, okay, below this video, or into the description of this video. Just you will get the link and also the discount coupon code. Okay, so you can get it only for $97 for now. Okay, so this is a very limited time, and this is a very limited number of coupon we are actually giving away. So you can grab your ReviewKits license for $97 for lifetime now, and it will be for unlimited use. Okay, so you can get more information into our website. Okay, here is the website we already created. Okay, you can see here our pricing is now for $27 per month and $167 for a lifetime, but you will get the lifetime deal for $97 only. Okay, it's all you just need to click the link below the into the description of this video, and also use the coupon code already there. Okay, so that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. If it helpful, that will be very proud for me. Okay, so I will be very proud if you get this video helpful for you. but I believe these actually this review kits, this small software actually make a big impact on any business, okay, any agencies who actually want to collect reviews from their customers, as well as want to sell review collection service to the local businesses actually. Okay, so that's it for this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.